In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix World of Warcraft access violation. Memory could not be read. So what you'll need to do is go to battle.net, and then over here, just check that you have your correct account signed into. So what you'll try to do is just go to your account, log out, and then re-log in and see if it works. So try this first option. Now the second option you can try is go to CMD and then run as administrator. So here you'll write the first command, ipconfig /release, and then press enter. And then you'll write the second command, ipconfig flush DNS, and then the third one, ipconfig /renew. Then once you're done with this commands, you want to go here to settings. Actually, go to control panel. So here you'll go to network and internet, network and sharing, and then internet. Go to properties, go down to internet protocol version 4, select this option, type 8.8.8.8.8, then 4.4. It should be like this, and then click OK, and then click OK, then close this down and see if this works. Now if you tried all of this and you're still having the same issue, what you can do is go back to games and then just uninstall your game and reinstall it, and hopefully this fixes your issue. You can also uninstall the game if you go to control panel and then programs. Here, if you find the game here, you can just right click on it and then uninstall, and hopefully this should fix your issue.